Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixie Pop's Haircut. Dear viewers, I hope you all are the fine and doing well and enjoy the best condition of health. Dear viewers, today today my video topic about most stylish, graceful haircut ideas with good and short hair cutting and hairstyle ideas that make you look awesome. I suggest to watch this video till the end. You will find all kind of hair cutting ideas in our videos. I hope you enjoy my video and this haircut. Please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Pixie Pop Haircut. So friend, if you want to watch more ideas about hair cutting, then watch my other videos and get more ideas about haircut like short bob, pixie bob, curly bobs, and medium length haircut. If you try my best to show you all the nick cutting ideas in our videos, so you want to get more ideas, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel Pixie Pop's Haircut and press the icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will add the latest video about haircut and hairstyle. If you like this video, so please hit the like button. If you like this video, so please share with your friend, family, other social media account. Thank for watching, for subscribing, for your comments.